What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning back in. Like, share, and if y'all new, make sure y'all subscribe. And today, as y'all can see by the thumbnail, we got some new paddle shifter extenders in, bro. And you know, anybody that knows me, I like the color red, so I had to get them in red. I'm capping, kind of. I did order some carbon fiber. They were like hydro dip. That was, you know, but whatever. But I ordered some carbon fiber ones. And you know, one of them looked good. I actually had them on, but I guess they didn't stick that good. But one of them looked really good. You know, the carbon fiber weave on there was decent. And then the one on the right, it was just all messed up. I took it back. I said I can't do it no more. But my new paddle shifters just came in, so let's take a look at it. So here are the new paddle shifter extenders. It actually was packaged decently. I don't know if y'all can see that for the focus. They had it like stapled shut. I don't know why they had to do it like that, but it actually came looking pretty good. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna take it right out. Okay, the paddle shifter extenders are out. I actually like the red on here. It's like a mattish red, and then on the inside here's the 3M tape. You just gotta take the backing off of it. They do come with the minus and the plus signs on there, so that looks pretty good. And then it came with some extra 3M or some bogus 3M tape. I don't know what this is. Hopefully they stick better than the last ones I had. So I might, before I put them on, I might heat them up with the hair dryer, see how they look. So, you know, this is gonna be a short video since it's just me putting paddle shifters on there. I might do a POV drive. It's actually getting dark outside, so I'm probably not gonna do that till tomorrow. Tomorrow's President's Day, so yeah, I'm gonna be home. I'll probably switch to the GoPro. I can't use the GoPro at night because I know that footage will suck. But yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna wipe down the back of my paddle shifters in the car and go ahead and put these on. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna have to try to do this really quick. It's getting darker out, but I didn't have any alcohol, so I'm just gonna wipe the backs of these paddles down with some water. Better with alcohol, but I don't got that right now. I ain't about to go out to the store and get some real quick. So yeah, wipe it down, dry it off real quick. And now I'm gonna take the paddle shifter extenders, take the 3M cover off, take the cover off the 3M, and then just put it on there. All right, so I put it in. I mean, it seems like it's sticking on there pretty good. It's the first one. I like the look of it. Hey man, the lights went off. All right, there we go. I like the look of it. I like the red. Kind of matches the red on the little the dot stripes, and then it matches the dash in there. I like it. Let's go ahead and put the other one on. Okay, just putting the other one on. Just put it on there like that. Just hold it on there. Keep pressing it. I ain't gonna lie, I actually didn't heat up the 3M. It would have stuck a little bit better, I guess, but I didn't feel like it. I'm lazy. But just keep pressing it on there. Looks good though. Keep pressing on it a little bit more. Okay, y'all, so yeah, got them on there pretty good. Still pretty sturdy. The fitment's pretty good on these actually. Yeah, I like the fitment on them. The other ones, they fitted pretty good too, but it's just the look of them wasn't cutting it for me. Yeah. Tell me what y'all think about the red paddle shifters. I like them. You know, red's my favorite color. It's got a matte look. That'd be cool if it had like a, I mean, I guess it does have a little type, you know, focus. That's like type sparkle to it, I guess, a little bit. But it's like a matte red. That's what it, I think that's what it said. But yeah, these are pretty nice. So as y'all can see, it's getting dark. I ain't gonna, if I try to use the GoPro, the footage is gonna be horrible. So I guess I'll get back to you guys tomorrow when I'm able to do that POV drive with the GoPro. All right, y'all. So I'm still using my phone. My GoPro's dead, so I'm like, why not? And put it on the little wide angle lens. Oh, I need defrost, but whatever. So I'm just gonna be one-handing this. There's a lot of traffic. I was out. I'm on my way home. Should do this before I get dark. So let me throw this into manual. Woo. My car is really loud today, right? Okay. But hopefully ain't no wind noise. I got the windows open a little bit so y'all can hear. Maybe that's good enough. But yeah, I'm really liking these paddle shifters. They look better than the ones I had. If I do end up getting carbon fiber steering wheel, I do want to get the actual carbon fiber paddle shifters that actually connect to the steering wheel, and I take it out and do all that extra stuff. Cause I think that'll just look, you know what I'm saying? Like, look big radical, dude. But let's see. Maximus. Oh, what was that in the road? I don't even know. Maximus. I used to want one of these Maximus. It looked nice. I'm gonna go a nice stinger. I used to want one of the Maximus. Let me downshift real quick. It's a second. Don't let me scare this Subaru now. I gotta calm down. Okay, gotta make sure I watch out for cops. You know, I'm using my phone. Should I throw this in smart mode, make it pop? Nah, it's too much traffic. Let me upshift. How many miles per gallon am I doing? 15.9. All right, ain't too bad. But yeah, like I was saying, I used to like these Maximas a lot. I still like them. Oh, there's a brother. Got a Chally. But yeah, I still like them technically. I still like them actually. That's what I meant to say. Got that young juice world playing with. Maybe I have enough room. Man, that Jeep got his red lights going, his halos going. Man, I miss my lights. Y'all don't know, my lights been acting up on me, man. Today was a nice day too, man. It's nice. It was sunny. It was 50 degrees. What is it? Yeah, it says 48, but it was 50 degrees. It was nice out today, man. Oh, we got some room. Let me downshift it to second. It's always fun. Uh-oh, there go my old car. I ain't gonna lie, I actually miss my Honda Civic, not just for the gas, but just because that car, I modified that car like a lot, bro. From the front end to the back end. I miss my Honda Civic. Wouldn't trade this back end for it, but yeah. See, I didn't know if I wanted to have a talking POV or just a POV of me driving. It's too much traffic, so I'm like, I couldn't just be sitting here driving. I gotta talk. I talk a lot. But yeah, I miss that car, man. It was base model. There's nothing I can really do to the engine and stuff. All I did was put a tune on it. It was, you know, the K tuner. Oh, let me put it in sports mode. Put it second gear. I was trying to make it pop. It didn't want to pop. But we got a little extra room coming up soon. Let's see. Gotta watch out for the police. Yeah, here we go. Make it pop. Ooh. I should take it out of manual mode, bro. I didn't. That was I didn't shift it. I'm putting it back in the regular mode. I didn't shift it. I'm gonna end up messing up my transmission. We gonna cut that. Oh no, I forgot I was in manual mode, bro. I was over here talking. Well, I pressed the shifter. I could have sworn I pressed it. I'm over here gonna mess up my car, man. All right. Ooh, got a little. Doesn't look like it's too modified though. Man, I always like the hatchback Subi WRXs. What is this? This is not even. This is an Impreza. But I like the hatch WRXs though. They're nice. So yeah, I'm driving a Mopar new car, but I like all cars. Well, most cars. Let me take it out of sports mode. All this slow traffic, I can't really do nothing. Yo, I'm sick. I didn't shift. I could have sworn I pressed it though. Yo, that thing jolted right back, bruh. Chick-fil-A, man. The only restaurant. Oh, it's Monday. I'm tweaking. I'm like, the only restaurant you want food from on a Sunday, and they close on Sunday. I'm thinking, man, it's Sunday, but it's Monday. I'm forgetting 3 day. I got 3 day weekend, so my mind is all over the place. So yeah, you know. How y'all liking these paddle shifters? Got the Match a little Dodge Stripes. Let me scoot on over to this lane. Oh, excuse me. But man, it's such a nice day outside, man. Everybody got. I got my sunroof open, man. I have my windows open, but I got cold quick that wind though. But it's a nice day out here. I ain't really seen nothing good out. You know, any cool cars out. I did see a Lord. Might have been an M3. I wasn't really paying attention though. But yeah, I hear something. All right, y'all. My phone actually cut off. I'm losing. I got so many pictures, and most of them are my daughter. But I got so many pictures and videos on this phone. I got like no space. I need to get a phone that has a lot more space, or just get a better lens for my camera, so I can, you know, have better quality videos without using my phone's memory up so much. But I'll probably give you guys another minute of POV. You probably ain't want to see that anyway. But just want to show you how it is driving with these pedal shifters. Maybe I'll try to get a good pop. Put it in sport mode. Let me get it down to 40 in second gear. Let's go. Yo, dude over there looking like, what the hell? Just enjoying my car, buddy. Just enjoying my car. Yeah, this is gonna be a future lesson for myself. Do not drive in sports. I'm messing up. I can't talk. Do not drive in manual while my car's messy. Do not drive in manual while you're recording, because you're gonna fuck some shit up. But I'm almost home, so guess I'm gonna be done with this little POV. Oh, look at them. They're coming right back up. But I guess I'll let y'all go. I'm actually gonna close out facing me. No, I'm not. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe if you like the content. I will leave a link in the subscription. Oh my God, I can't talk today. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for these paddle shifters if you guys want to get some. I think in the options section you can get different colors like blue, pink, purple, black, silver to match the actual paddle shifters. So if you guys like it, just head up into the description. Mine were only like 15, 17 bucks, so they're not too much, and they pretty good, and they look pretty decent, so they feel pretty good too. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. We out.